To download Google Chrome on a laptop or computer, start by opening a browser. This can be done by clicking on the Windows Start button, typing Edge in the search bar, and selecting Microsoft Edge, the default browser for Windows. Once the browser is open, go to the top web address bar and type google.com. From there, search for Google Chrome and select the first link that appears, which should be google.com/Chrome. On this page, click on Download Chrome, and a download should appear in the top right corner. Select Open File to begin the installation process. Wait a minute or two for Google Chrome to install, and once it's complete, the browser will open and be ready to use. If you have any questions or need further assistance, you can find additional tips and tutorials by following these steps. You should be able to easily download and install Google Chrome on your laptop or computer.